Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 18th, 2021. This is going to be our Aave price prediction. We want to know if a big parabolic move is about to occur into the market in Aave. Welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We're not going to confuse you. We're simply going to look at the price and where price has gone to see where price is trying to go. So if you guys find that very interesting, or at best you'd like to have the heads up as to where we're looking at market it go, make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit the share button, like the video, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss it. I'm gonna keep it real, because you guys can see right here on our last video in Aave, which was on September the 19th. September the 19th, we told you all to be prepared for Aave to go down, and that's pretty much what price has done. We've been seeing the price in Aave trade well below $345, right? So a pretty good call on that one. 18.16% for our last price prediction, which was in September. It's over, it's done. I'm not going to dwell too much on this. You guys, if you've been a day one supporter of this channel, already know what we do. So this is just another example of us calling the market correctly. So now let me go ahead and get rid of that. And let's talk, because if we're going to get a parabolic movement, I mean, can it go up or will it go down? Let's try to figure that out, because Aave is not really giving us too much in terms of price direction, is it? It's not. It's just pretty much trading sideways. Look at my chart. The market is just gyrating between what, $200 all the way up there towards $440. That's pretty much where majority of the price action has occurred into the market for Aave, right? So I'm going to lower this horizontal line right here into the market in Aave, because obviously this is where the price wants to hold support. This literally means that this is where the buyers are at. Okay, that's it. When the market becomes supported, it tells us where buyers are at. So I just wanted to come in and hold this overall support lines there and this restriction line there. So this is where price has pretty much gone, right? This is where we've been for pretty much the whole year for the market in Aave. Been trading in between those two lines. Now the question is, which direction are we about to go? Because currently, looking here on the 2-day time frame, I'm not extremely bullish into the market in Aave. I'm just not. You guys can see right here on this last completed 2-day price bar, even on this 2-day price bar to where all the volume came through, price hasn't recovered since. We're still seeing weakness. We're still seeing the market price go down in Aave. Now, it doesn't mean that that's the end of the world. It simply means that that $245, $250 price, it needs to be support. Once again, we need to see the market grab support at $250 and start to see the price go up. So let's check this out on the 3-day time frame into the market in Aave. And another thing I will mention is that seeing how price could not maintain 320, trade above 320, this now is restriction. Okay, right there around $320. This is it. Okay. Now the market here in Aave is not extremely strong. Look at this. Even over the last couple of weeks, from October the 25th, the week of, to the current weekly price bar, we're still seeing weakness. Now on this price prediction, I mean, yeah, we all can see it. The price can still be supported at $250. That will be the only thing that will go against the weakness, or in terms of us expecting the price to go down in Aave. I know that. So I'm going to keep that in mind when I do this price prediction, is that we can still see the market come through and grab support at $250. This is the 2-weekly time frame. We got 3 days and 12 hours left, but currently I'm not extremely bullish into the market in Aave. I mean, even though we've seen the majority of the trading occur with them in these two lines, we've seen nothing but weakness, really, right? We've seen nothing but weakness into the market in Aave as we've been trading sideways. So I cannot emphasize enough how important it's going to be for price to grab support around $250. I cannot emphasize that enough. Because if we're not able to hold $250, guess what? We're going to go a lot lower in price. Maybe even around $210, $200. Now that would transition the price move of going down around 22%, right? we can still see the market in Aave drop 22%. Now, a lot of people ain't expecting that right now. It's one of the things we do on this particular channel is we are predictors. We expect where we look for price to go. So we won't be caught off guard. We won't be surprised. We won't ask the question, well, what happened? No, we can already see this as to what the market is really doing. And if we're not able to hold 250, be prepared. That's all I'm going to say is be ready for the market to go a lot lower in price, because no one is talking about that right now in Aave. Everyone is still telling you to come through and buy up this cryptocurrency under the premise that price is going to always go up. Well, we're not necessarily seeing that just yet in Aave. Now, if we hold 250, then best believe we're going to go a lot higher in price. Come back all the way up there towards that 320 first, and then up there towards 400, then 440. So you have to react relatively quick once we see that strength come in at 250, because we need to cut this prediction and then switch it over to the buy side and ride the market to higher prices in Aave. Right? This is so simple. This is easy. We're giving you all the play onto how to react to wherever price goes. Right? But conversely, I'm still seeing the weakness here into the market in Aave. Again, 250 is my first spot for me to see the market try to come through and grab support in Aave, which seems to be feasible and likely because of what we've already gone through historically throughout 2021 for this market. We've seen the market hold 250 as support. So we need to maintain that no lower than $200 though, right? We cannot see price in Aave break anywhere below 200. Okay. So I think I'm going to play the weakness here into the market in Aave. I'm going to give you all a couple of price targets that I'm looking for price to go. Now the first area is going to be around 250, right? I want us to make sure we nibble off a little bit of profitability into the market in Aave, which is around 7.25%. Might be up there towards 260. I can see 262. So it's around 4.75%, around 260. That's the first spot. Second area is down here 220, which is around 18% profitability. And then the third area is no lower, like I said, is 200. Okay, no lower than $200. Now, if we break that support area around 250, 260, then yeah, 220 and 200 is not going to be a problem to see the price go in Aave, right? And I also told you, this $320 price is now going to act as restriction into the market in Aave. And we're not going to expect the market to move higher until we break price above 320. But I'm going to bring it up here towards $340. So as long as Aave's price trades below $340, we're going to expect the market to continue to consolidate right down there towards $260, $250. And then eventually we get if we get more strength come through, then yeah, we're going to cut this prediction and take the buy side of the market and let the market ride higher in Aave. But until that time, we're going to look for the price to go down just slightly in Aave. I'm not telling you that it's going to collapse. I'm not telling you that the price is going to plummet, but rather, instead of getting a big parabolic move, I'm just looking at this methodically. It's going to stair step its way down to lower prices as time goes on. But when we look at these varying time frames, right? This is where we're still seeing the weakness here into the market in Aave. So now is your turn. Hit me up. Let me know what do you all think about Aave's price. Where do you all think the market is going to go in Aave, so that you all can be prepared and not nervous and ask questions about what happened to the price. Just hit me up. Drop me your price prediction right now in the market for Aave. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.